What's up, Kurlz Crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am K Kurlz. Welcome. Today I am going to be showing you guys my braid out routine. So if you'd like to see that, please stay tuned. I know I get crazier and crazier, but seriously, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already detangled and sectioned my hair into 4 parts. I am going to start with the back section. I would like to mention that I did also, during my detangling, add in some Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil, and I just made sure that I had some moisture locked on my hair before I started. And then what I did was I took my Cantu moisturizing twist and lock gel and I added that to each section, as you can see right there. And then I made sure that I took my brush, because you want to make sure that your hair is as smooth as you can possibly get it. And then as soon as you do that, you are just going to begin to plait each section completely down to the length of your hair, and then just continue on to the very next strand. And you can grab any sizes that you would like them. I like mine this size. I like them to be a medium size, but if you would like to make them smaller or larger, or even braid them flat against your head, you can do that. I choose to do the plaits because they are way quicker. So I am just going to continue to do this around the rest of my head, so keep watching. Okay, so when you are at the front, you want to make sure that you put a little bit more of whatever moisturizer you are going to use on there, and then you want to make sure you grab that brush and get all of your edges in so that you can have a great flat surface with that plait, so that that can eliminate a lot of the frizz that comes later. I know, you guys, I know this style takes forever to get these plaits in your hair, but I promise you it is worth it with the end result. Just keep sticking it out and finish your hair. If you do need to take breaks in between, you can absolutely do that. I didn't, because I'm used to doing this, but if you do, your arms will definitely get tired at some point because you are just having them lifted and raised up in the air. Take a break if you need to, but if not, then just keep going. All right, so as I am finishing up the back section, I do just want to mention, I know my parts are not straight. I am not doing this to leave it in for a few days. I am just leaving it in for a few hours so that I can take it out and, you know, go out on the town. But anyway, yeah, if you guys want to leave it in, you might want to focus a little bit more on your parting. I did not, again, because I am going to be taking this out for a braid out. But if you do want to leave this in for a few days, because again, the longer the better, but if you do want to leave this in, you can just focus a little bit more on your parts so that you can style them so that they don't just look like, you know, bye Felicia plaits.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so this is what the braids look like when they are done. Again, you can make it any size you want. This is just the size that I like them. And then I'm gonna allow this to sit like this for the rest of the day, for at least like 2 to 3 hours. The longer the better, but I'm gonna let this sit like this until the rest of the day. I'm gonna finish up some work and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when I take it down. So see you soon. Okay guys, so this is what I was left with when I finished unbraiding. I have a whole bunch of super defined loose wavy curls from my braids, and you can keep them just like this, or you can go a step further and you can take each one and you can kind of pull them apart to make it fuller, but be very careful pulling them apart because they will get frizzy. But you can do that. I did do some of that on this side already as I was doing it, because I like mine to have a little bit of a fuller look. So if you just pull each one apart slightly, it'll just separate it, and look at that already. So anyway, just keep pulling apart to your liking until you get to your desired look. I myself love a full mane, especially when I do a braid out, because that full mane is just beautiful. So just continue to pull them apart again until you have them as full as you want them. So you can see the difference already, except for like this small section that I did the difference. There's already a bunch of curls over here, and these ones are a little bit more flat. So just the same thing. And you are going to do that around your entire head. Just make sure you have some oil on your fingers. And gently pull everything apart. Okay. So once you do that, you can continue to fluff. I'm going to stop right about here because then I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to pick out my roots just to give me a little bit more body. I'm just going to comb up in the back and then mess up these roots, guys. Okay. And then I am just going to give a fluff, shake, roll if you want. whatever you would like, okay guys? And then you can style this however you would like to. You can leave it just like this. And that's it, guys. This is my braid out routine. So I really hope you guys liked it. This is one of my absolute favorite go-to styles. It takes you like a half an hour to get everything braided or plaited in. If you like to braid flat onto your scalp, of course it might take a little bit longer than the plaits. That's why I always do the plaits, because it's so easy. This style usually lasts me about 3 to 4 days, depending, because it does get bigger and bigger. In the summer, this will last me 1 day. But it's the fall, y'all. Hold on, I'm sweating. Okay, well, anyway, it is the fall, and that is it, guys. So again, I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscription down at the bottom and that notification bell so you don't miss when I drop a new upload. And as always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.